In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. If Chrome has been acting up, maybe it's slow, opening unwanted pages, or behaving differently after an extension, resetting it can quickly bring things back to normal without losing your important data like bookmarks and saved passwords. Start by opening Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. Click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More or Customize menu. This opens your main control panel for Chrome. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage how Chrome looks, works, and stores information. In the Settings page, look at the left-hand panel. Find and click Reset Settings. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll down the list on the left until it appears. This section is specifically designed to help you restore Chrome's behavior when something isn't working right. Next, select the option labeled Restore Settings to their original defaults. Before you confirm, it's helpful to understand what this does. Chrome will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies and cached files. This often fixes problems caused by a misbehaving extension or a corrupted cache. Importantly, your bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history are not removed, so your key information stays intact. You might be signed out of some sites because cookies are cleared, which is normal after a reset. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Read the message so you're comfortable with what's changing, then click Reset Settings to confirm. If you're not ready, you can cancel and come back later. Chrome will now apply the reset. This may take a few moments, and the browser might look a bit different afterward. Themes will revert to the default, the homepage and search settings will be back to normal, and all extensions will be turned off. If you rely on a few extensions, you can re-enable them one by one later, which is a good way to spot any extension that may have caused issues. Once the reset completes, consider closing and reopening Chrome to start fresh. From there, browse as usual, sign back into sites if needed, and re-enable only the extensions you trust. That's all it takes to restore Chrome to a clean, stable state.